Okay, moving on to the next topic. What if your self-driving car gets hacked? Have you ever thought about it?
Nice. Oops. That's a
Like,
great way to start a section, buddy.
okay, So the gist of it is, a Russian guy, which was here representing a Russian hacking group, took a Tesla employee and became friends with him. They used to go for dinners and drinking stuff, and then offered him or her, I think the employee name is undisclosed, offered him $500,000 to put malware into Tesla ka systems, Gigafactory ka systems. So we are talking big numbers here.
$500,000 is a lot of money. If someone offers you that kind of money, हाँ बोलो.
नहीं. Moving ahead.
अच्छा रुक. So
he then went to FBI and stuff, and then he asked for $1 million. And the guy said, okay, chalega, $1 million. Although the FBI caught him.
Exactly. If someone, that's my point. अगर तुमको कोई इतने पैसे दे रहा है कुछ अजीब करने के लिए, प्लीज वो पैसे मत लो, ठीक है? तुम्हारी जिंदगी बर्बाद हो जाएगी.
And $1 million, I know तुम्हारा life थोड़ा बहुत set हो जाएगा, but it's not that sustainable. And plus, you'll get caught because those systems log every single thing. So you'll get caught पहले तो.
Seriously.
And then why are you destroying a company which is literally changing the world for good? Like, do you want $1 million or do you want your child to breathe?
Man, that's a good. I would.
Although, great job, that employee. I don't know who you are or if you ever see this, but
good job, Tesla employee. Tesla employees good people. I can vouch for Tesla.
Wait.
I think so.
Or Tesla employees, I think, have that loyalty towards that company.
Like let's not generalize, buddy. Let's not generalize.
Wait.
But yeah.
But the stereotype is that they're super duper loyal.
Yeah, I hope it stays that way because.
Although, let's take the condition where hack ho gaya. Abhi kya? Like all the all the self-driving cars just keep crashing into it. Like, have you seen Fast and Furious 8?
Yeah.
Usme, there is this scene where the lady hacks into all the cars and this parking lot se cars niche gir raha hai.
Okay.
Like once cars get self-driving, I don't know what. And these cars haven't been made so that they'll block internet connections se aata hua driving request, because the Tesla ka app, you can press a button and the car will move. So it is technically accepting requests from the internet to move itself.
Exactly. Anything that is connected to the internet is vulnerable. That's the rule of the 21st century, I feel.
It's not even necessary that you're connected to the internet. Any electronic thing can be hacked. Right? That is the base rule.
Yeah, I mean, but then if it's connected to the internet, it's more easier to hack it. That's what I mean.
Easier, right? Yeah. It's more easier to hack.
Yeah. So, as automation goes forward, as things become more wireless, I think ethical questions to aane wale. That is why the CEOs of software giants get grilled so much by Congress periodically.
Huni. And you would think that if you have to hack something big like Tesla, you need a big hacking group and stuff. And these hacking groups have gotten smart enough that instead of trying to get from the outside penetration through, which is hard right now.
Definitely.
There are security systems in place.
Definitely.
You can just target someone on the inside. Like, Twitter ke case mein wahi hua tha. They targeted someone on the inside who had the access to this.
Right. So,
and I guess Tesla mein there are systems which are responsible for moving cars, I guess. I don't know, that would be really dangerous to keep around with anyone. But although I'm happy that guy got caught. So, and although he was just the messenger, he wasn't the actual hacking person.
Good. So he was the people's person. He was, not all hackers are very social guys. It's okay. They need people they need people like me to go on site and do people stuff.
Although the hacking group bach gaya na.
Hacking group
and who's gonna say they're not gonna try again? They will try.
Obviously.
So abhi hacking ye ho gaya. It's not computers anymore. It's just picking the right person who is vulnerable enough and just exploiting them.
Yeah,
and they don't care about him. Everyone knew that if he had done that, he would have gotten caught.
Yeah, right. hacking is initially hacking was more of an who's better at doing this thing on the
Understanding
computer.
how computers.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Now it's who's better at exploiting human beings.
Exactly. I was gonna say the same thing. Good job, Advait. It's more of a social kind of thing. Hacking. So yeah, I think all the
It's
major industries are becoming that way. They're all gravitating towards becoming a more people-centric industry.
this in the case is a bad example. Like bad example as in it shouldn't get people killed.
Yeah.
Because people are easy to exploit and hard to fix.
Exactly.
Systems can be fixed pretty easily.
Exactly. You're right. And systems are
And I
also
hope-
very difficult to hack.
Exactly.
इधर उसने
All-
उसको पाँच I mean
I mean,
Tesla
a
is
lot
lucky.
of people would fold for 500k,
Exactly,
right?
bro. I would. I'm just kidding.
Damn.
That's a joke for obvious reasons, for political reasons. That's a joke. But yeah, Tesla is lucky कि उनके employees इतने अच्छे.
How we look what happened with Twitter, and Twitter was the Twitter के case
man.
में it was just a 17-year-old kid doing it. Imagine a state or a hacker doing it. They could have destroyed Twitter as it is. The
I
man
swear.
is sleepy.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's we're recording quite
It's the
late.
lighting.
Oh yeah, it's the
Really,
lighting.
it's the
Holy shit,
lighting.
it is the lighting.
Ah.
But yeah, the point was, Tesla is lucky that it got that particular employee was good, and so tell me more. I didn't quite. So that is that the entire story? कि he got approached by a
Yeah,
hacker. The hacker उसको ऐसा मस्त friendship बनाया.
They became friends.
Wow,
Friends,
that's-
friends. Let's just call it friends.
Shit, man.
And it was a good social experience for that other guy.
Shit.
He got drinks.
Imagine.
dinners, and then he got offered the money.
Exactly. Like holy shit. That's what hacking is nowadays. And so he got offered $500,000
And-
that he went to the FBI, right?
$500,000 फिर 1 million फिर FBI कि $500,000 फिर FBI फिर 1 million. The order of the story is not that important or
Achha.
not understood by me, I guess.
All right.
But yeah, the Elon is pretty lucky. And मैं Lou later का podcast देख रहा था, and I don't know if this is true, but I guess वो Elon के next audio single में feature कर रहा है, something like that. Although if that happens, उसका identity reveal हो जाएगा.
That's so
and
cool.
I don't know.
That's so cool. But yeah, that was pretty much the news. Tesla almost got hacked. And yeah, that was the dystopian question that Advait started the section with it. Is that what happens if automated
You can
cars...
comment what you think
Exactly. मेरे
would
दिमाग
happen.
में तो Cars movie आ रहा है. The cars would kill everybody, become self-aware. That's it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cars movie का plot हुआ है क्या? Did they kill everyone?
No. That's a
अच्छा,
fan theory.
That
It's a fan theory.
that would have been a bad Disney movie.
Disney movies you don't want to become reality. It's one of those.
Trust me.
But yeah,
Everything is cool, but as long as it's inside the TV.
yeah, man. Oh man, seriously, as long as it's on film, it's good.
All good. Anyway, I guess we've come to the end of this podcast.
We have.